Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux debates and tech breakdowns. Today we're talking about Ubuntu versus Debian, one of the most talked about comparisons in the Linux community, and why users still argue about it in 2026. Let's break it down clearly. First, what they are. Debian is one of the oldest and most respected Linux distributions, known for its rock-solid stability and open-source principles. Ubuntu is built on Debian, but adds user-friendly tools, more frequent updates, and broader hardware support. Now let's explore the core reasons why users argue. 1. Stability versus new features. Debian focuses on well-tested software. It prioritizes reliability over having the latest packages. This makes it ideal for servers and long-term systems. Ubuntu uses a faster release cycle with newer software and features, especially in desktop environments and driver support. Some users criticize Ubuntu for being too fast-moving, while others love the fresh features. 2. Target audience and experience. Debian users are usually those who want complete control, minimal surprises, and long-term stability. Ubuntu users prefer out-of-the-box usability, easy setup, and extensive documentation for beginners. This difference sparks healthy debate, speed versus simplicity. 3. Software management. Debian uses the classic apt and Debian repos, which are stable but sometimes behind current versions. Ubuntu uses apt plus PPAs and snap packages for newer apps. Some users love the convenience of snaps, while others dislike them because of performance or size concerns. 4. Community and support. Debian's community is very traditional and strict about free software principles. Ubuntu's community is more diverse, with lots of commercial backing and beginner-friendly forums. This contrast leads to debates about purity versus practicality. 5. Performance and use cases. Debian is often lighter and leaner, great for servers and older hardware. Ubuntu is optimized for desktops and supported by more drivers and proprietary firmware. Users argue about which gives better performance, but both excel in different scenarios. Pro tip: your choice should depend on your needs. If you want ultimate stability and control, Debian wins. If you want ease of use and modern features right away, Ubuntu is the winner for most desktop users. Final thought. In 2026, the debate isn't about which is objectively better, it's about what you need: stability, new features, control, or ease of use. Both distros are powerful and respected, and both continue to evolve in 2026. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. Team Debian or Team Ubuntu? Thanks for watching!